Hello everyone, welcome to Andy's World and wish you all happy Independence Day. Yes, so we are going to prepare trio sandwich depicting our Indian flag. This sandwich is yummy, tasty and very simple to prepare, definitely loaded with loads and loads of vitamins. So let's get started. I have taken white bread. The reason is that our flag has that white background, but if you want, use any bread of your choice. I have taken carrot to give that saffron color to our flag. Carrot is loaded with vitamin A, an antioxidant, and I've taken one medium-sized onion finely chopped. Our dry ingredients for the flavor: cumin powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and garam masala. I have taken half a teaspoon of each. So let's start cooking. First heat pan and add butter. And once the butter heats, add the chopped onions and fry well. Don't let it turn brown, so add salt so that it remains translucent or transparent. Now let's add in the grated carrots and saute well in the butter. We will cook this without adding water. Now let's add the flavoring powders: turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin or jeera powder and garam masala. Mix these well into the carrot. Now the flavors, you can add whatever combination you want. I'm just keeping it simple. So our carrot filling is all cooked now. Let's cool it and transfer it to a bowl. So let's start to layer our sandwich. Come, let's go. Wow, what a lovely sight. Saffron, I have taken the carrot mixture. White is the mayonnaise. Green is the mint chutney. Now for mint chutney, I've grinded pudina, onion, jeera, chili, tamarind, salt, ginger. Coconut I have added, but if you want a darker green, then don't add coconut. Grind this to a fine paste and your mint chutney is ready. Isn't this sight beautiful? So let's start layering the sandwich with our tricolors. Come on, let's go. So let's start with the first layer. Take a slice of bread and apply butter on it, only on one side. So on top of this butter layer, we will now spread a spoon of mayonnaise on the bread. Add generous amount of mayo because that will actually give you nice taste. Now let's start with our saffron, which is the carrot mixture. You can either start with saffron or green. The choice is yours. I'm going to start off with saffron. Now the second layer, I'm going to add butter. We are going to place this bread onto the carrot layer. So this is the second slice of bread. Spread butter on both the sides of the slice as we are going to lay this onto the carrot layer. So this is going to be our white, which is the second layer of our sandwich. So now we again spread mayonnaise on top of this slice. Be generous while spreading mayo. Now the third slice of bread, I have applied butter. Let's top this on the mayo slice. Okay, so now we are going to the final layer. What do you think it is? Yes, it is our mint layer, which is our green. So I'm applying mint chutney. And the reason we apply butter and then mint chutney, because butter will stop the mint chutney to be absorbed by the bread completely. Because mint is moisture. So the bread will become soggy if you don't apply butter. So don't skip this step. So always apply butter and then add any sauce which has moisture so that it doesn't become soggy. Okay, so our final slice for this sandwich, again apply butter and the mint chutney. And now we are going to layer, see, can you see this last layer? I've applied mint chutney on both the slices of bread. Now I'm going to turn over this mint over the mint chutney. White surface is facing towards us and the mint will face downwards. Okay, so we have finally layered all the layers and it's time to cut the sides of the bread. Wow, now just look at it. You can see the three layers, the saffron, white and green. Isn't it a beautiful sight? It does look like our Indian flag. So carrot, mayo and the mint chutney. Such a delight, isn't it? Not only tasty but healthy too. Our trio sandwich is all ready to be served. Please do try this and I hope you enjoyed this video. This sandwich can be served as breakfast or during tea and best eaten with mint chutney or mayo. So please do try this and leave your comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. I have also got responses for the chicken biryani. Thank you so much for trying the biryani and sending me pictures. Bye bye.